Hey guys, as I wrap up my time here at Leadership, I wanted to leave you guys some words of encouragement, because I've had just an absolute blast here. But one of the things I'm reminded of is I actually was not Christian before I started Mary Kay. I was someone who had always considered myself spiritual, but I wasn't Christian. And what's so cool is that Mary Kay was such a loving, warm, positive environment. It caused me to want to seek more about Jesus. And so I think it was about 23 years ago that I accepted Jesus into my heart. And it has been so awesome to see all the transformations that have happened in my life as a result of that. But one of the things I'm reminded of every time I come back to my Mary Kay events is how the women in Mary Kay, I believe, are like living, breathing people that are living out that Christian faith in a way that's not pushing it down your throat. You know, if I had been preached to, if I had been, pushed into believing a certain thing, I would have been like this, right? But with the Mary Kay culture, it was so inviting, it was so loving and so forgiving. I wanted to seek more about Jesus. And so I just thought I would share that because as I get back from my leadership, I'm reminded again of how awesome the women of Mary Kay are and how it just makes every single person believe in being a better person, being a little bit more kind, being a little bit more loving. And remember, you are known, loved, worthy, chosen, and enough.